In this video, we'll look at how to create and use a QR code to get new customers signed up and ready to make payments in person. QR codes means it's easy to invite customers from your phone or at your place of business, so you can take in-person payments in seconds. They're also the perfect way to bridge the online and offline experience for your customers. Let's work through a couple of examples of how to use QR codes and what your customer will see. Let's look at taking an instant payment from a new customer. This is perfect for a business that needs to take a lot of one-off payments fast, like a charity that's taking part in an event or a swim club with competition fees. What's great is that there's no need for customers to be signed up to GoCardless to make a payment. To create your QR code, go to the dashboard homepage and click on Create Payment. From here, choose One-Off Payment. And then click on New Customers. Here's where you'll fill out all the details of the payment. Next, select Instant Payment and click Create Payment. Your QR code is now ready to share with your customers. What's great is that you can quickly show it in person on your phone or a screen, or click Save Image to add it to your camera roll. Once your customer has scanned the QR code using their smartphone, they'll be directed to fill in the details of the payment and confirm the transaction on their banking app. Once complete, a confirmation screen will pop up and an email will be sent to your customer's inbox. And once authorized, you should receive the money within 1 business day. Next, let's look at using QR codes to invite a new customer and set up a subscription. This is ideal for businesses on the go or in-person services like a weekly window cleaning service. Or if you just want a quicker way to get customers signed up for a new subscription. Just like before, to create your QR code, go to the dashboard homepage and click on Create Payment. This time, choose Subscription Template. Here you can fill out all the details of the subscription, including the amount, how often the subscription will be taken, and when payments will be collected. When you're happy, choose Create Subscription to confirm. Your QR code is now ready to share with your customers. Don't forget to click Save Image to add it to your camera roll. Once your customer scans the QR code with their phone or another device, they'll be taken to a web page to set up their direct debit for the subscription. When that's done, a confirmation screen will pop up and an email confirming the subscription will be sent to your customer. You'll start receiving payments as soon as it's authorized. Thanks for watching.